Salman Khan, who has been living in his Panvel farmhouse ever since the lockdown was implemented in March, has shared a new video where he's ploughing the land, astride a tractor. The video shows Salman with an assistant in a water-filled plot of land. Sharing the video, he wrote, "Farming." The clip shows Salman navigating his tractor across a piece of land. There is greenery all around, and at the far end, we also see heavy rain clouds. Have a look. Looks like farming is a new passion for those at the Panvel farmhouse with Salman. Few days back, his rumored girlfriend Yulia Vanturatu had shared her experience of farming. Some time back, Salman had shared a picture of himself with mud smeared on his body. It was his way of paying his respects to all farmers. Before the lockdown came into place, the actor had been busy shooting for his upcoming film, Radhe, Your Most Wanted Bhai. It also stars Disha Patani and Randeep Hooda. It was supposed to release on Eid but was postponed due to coronavirus pandemic. NYOOOZ Desk.